What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is your host, the Porcupine Fish. Today we are cleaning the salamander and tortuga turtle platforms. I just wanted to focus this time on the before and after cleaning, getting you a better visual of how dirty these platforms really can get. So I hope you enjoy. So here Liz is actually pulling off snails that get attached to the corals, which can be very harmful to the corals and very dangerous. She just pulls them off and, tosses them aside. And just a heads up, I actually did a terrible job filming today. I was definitely trying to multitask between cleaning the platforms and also shooting at the same time, which can be very, very challenging if you've never done it before. So as you can see, I'm just cleaning the platforms itself and not the corals. Until I'm certified, that's the most I can do. Down here, I had no idea there were two lobsters, actually, here and here, that were under the platform. And usually I don't see lobsters under these particular platforms this close in. Usually I see them by the coral reef, so that was pretty cool. Here's the after. You see it's a lot cleaner. A lot of the film is removed off of the platforms. The algae has been removed from the corals. Second platform of the day, we have the turtle looking like a turtle. So notice how quickly the algae has actually built up. We did this one maybe a month or two ago, and already it's covered in very, very thick algae. It's no joke. It takes some real elbow grease to really get in there and scrub that algae off of the platforms. It's a workout. So remember when I said I was having an off day recording? It just gets janky from here. Sorry. Okay. And we're back. Triggerfish decided to make its presence known while we were cleaning, and we thought that the triggerfish was just kind of observing, watching us, and but I think what happened is this triggerfish had a nest nearby, and they get very, very territorial, like people and fins, and just be terrorizing when you're near their nest because they're very protective. So now there were two triggerfish, and in hindsight, of course, instead of filming, I probably should have been helping to, shoo away the fish, but I wasn't thinking about that at the time. I was thinking, oh, this is cool footage, like she's interacting with the fish. No, the fish wanted her out. Yeah, I just watched. But what was cool is right after the triggerfish left, I turned around and I saw this. I have never seen one in real life or underwater in real life. I've seen him on Instagram, blah, blah, blah. But my goodness, it was so beautiful to see that. And it was maybe 20 feet away from me. So I had to zoom in on the shot a little bit. The triggerfish. So whenever you see the triggerfish in that position, it's actually hiding itself to look for food. Alright, so here's the after. You see a lot of the sediments removed, the corals, the algae off the corals, just looks a lot better than it did. Here's your before and after.